Everyone loved this adorable budget-friendly centerpiece for fall, and today I'm going to show you how to make a coordinating grapevine wreath. You can get this grapevine for $5 at Big Lots, and the rest of the supplies you can find at the Dollar Tree. A lot of adorable pumpkins, different pigs, even velvet pumpkins, as well as greenery. Although I have to tell you that the eucalyptus at Walmart is a much better value. You get more for your money. Also, we're going to need some fall leaves, sunflowers, berries, wherever you might have. And of course, some coordinating ribbon for the bow. And we're going to make a very simple bow. Measure 8 inches, pinch, and then measure additional 12 inches. And when you fold it in half, you get 6-inch loop. Yeah, about 6 inches. Measure another one. Pinch it all together. Got 2. Let's make 2 more. And as you can figure out, the wreath is about 12 inches. It's my measuring tool. So we got 4 loops right here, and we're gonna cut another tail about 8 inches. Very simple 4-loop bow. We are going to use a pipe cleaner and tie it in the center. Move the tails to the bottom and cut the ends. Just fold it in half and cut diagonally towards the wired edge. If you have another type of ribbon, you can make one more bow and put on top of it. Let's say 8-inch tail, and then let's see. It looks like my ribbon is actually ending, so whatever I have over here, I'm gonna make 8-inch, fold in half, that's a 4-inch loop, second loop, and I don't have enough for the third one. So it's just a simple 2-loop, 2 tails bow, just like that. And I'm gonna actually leave it as is, just tie it on top. And just take that pipe cleaner to the back, and we're gonna use it to attach to the wreath. What do you think? Pretty cute for leftover ribbons, right? This pipe cleaner is actually too short, so we're gonna use another one on top to tie it down to the wreath. Next, we are going to use a flower stem to attach our sign to the wreath, just like we did with the centerpiece. We are going to make a little stake. And now we are going to insert that little stake right there behind the bow. We can reinforce it with a little pumpkin on the side. Let's see what goes. I guess the green one. And we're gonna add some hot glue here and there just so everything stays in place. And now you can add some more pumpkins all around there, whatever you might see fit. I love these new Dollar Tree pumpkins, by the way. I think they're upping their game every year, aren't they? And key here is to add each pumpkin at a different angle. You don't want all of them to be facing the same direction. I think it's more interesting that way. When you are happy with your pumpkin placement, go ahead, glue all around there. And then we are going to decorate it with some leaves. First, I'm going to insert some leaves at both ends, and then just all around the pumpkins and the bow. A little bit windy today, but still a beautiful fall day. fill in any holes and take one more look, see if there's anything else that you could add. Maybe those little velvet pumpkins over here at the top. What do you think? Let's not forget the blueberries on top. That was your favorite element from the centerpiece, and I saved a few to insert here and there. I got these on clearance at Hobby Lobby for those who didn't watch the previous video, and I'll link that video for your reference in the description box below. Make sure you check it out if you haven't yet. And here's the look at the final result. Please comment down below, let me know how do you like it.